Hello and welcome to TV Buying Guide, your go-to destination for the latest insights into the world of televisions. Today we'll talk about the differences between Samsung Q80D and Q80C. It is easily noticed that Samsung Q80D is introduced as a successor of Samsung Q80C. Both Samsung Q80D and Q80C are introduced as the higher QLED 4K TV series from Samsung. Samsung Q80D from Samsung's 2024 TV lineup, while Samsung Q80C was released as part of Samsung's 2023 TV lineup. Samsung Q80D is offered in 5 screen size options: 85-inch, 75-inch, 65-inch, 55-inch, and 50-inch, while Samsung Q80C is offered in 6 screen size options: 98-inch, 85-inch, 75-inch, 65-inch, 55-inch, and 50-inch. What is the reason to choose Samsung Q80D as the successor series? Let's take a look at the differences between Samsung Q80D and Q80C before we can find out the reasons to choose Samsung Q80D as the successor series. There are few differences between Samsung Q80D and Q80C. Let's talk more about their differences together. The first difference between Samsung Q80D and Q80C comes from their picture processor. Samsung Q80D is powered by NQ4AI Gen 2 processor, while Samsung Q80C is powered by Neural Quantum Processor 4K. NQ4AI Gen 2 processor is the more advanced picture processor that can provide better optimization for the color clarity and contrast of the picture delivered on the screen of Samsung Q80D. We can also find another difference in the version of Tizen OS integrated with Samsung Q80D and Q80C. As part of Samsung 2024 TV lineup, Samsung Q80D comes with Tizen 2024, while Samsung Q80C comes with Tizen 2023 as part of Samsung 2023 TV lineup. Tizen 2024 comes with the latest enhancements to match the latest developments in Samsung AI and Smart TV technology as well as entertainment world. There is also minor difference in the sound technology integrated with Samsung Q80D and Q80C. Samsung Q80D comes with better Adaptive Sound Pro and Active Voice Amplifier Pro, while Samsung Q80C only comes with Adaptive Sound Plus and Active Voice Amplifier. Adaptive Sound Pro and Active Voice Amplifier Pro are able to bring better sound quality for Samsung Q80D than Adaptive Sound Plus and Active Voice Amplifier of Samsung Q80C. We can also find that the price of Samsung Q80D and Q80C is also different. Samsung Q80D that comes as the successor series is normally offered at a higher price than Samsung Q80C for similar screen size option. As TV prices often change from time to time, it is necessary to check the price of Samsung Q80D and Q80C before we can find their latest price difference. The differences of Samsung Q80D and Q80C can be summarized with this table. So what is the reason to choose Samsung Q80D? Samsung Q80D is introduced as the successor of Samsung Q80C. we can find that Samsung QXTD comes with improvements in processor, while it is also completed with newer version of design and minor improvement in sound technology, Adaptive Sound Pro and Active Voice Amplifier Pro. The more advanced picture processor, newer version of design and improvement in sound, Adaptive Sound Pro and Active Voice Amplifier Pro give us reasons to choose Samsung QXTD as the successor series, as long as we don't mind to spend more for it. Samsung QXTC is the predecessor series of Samsung QXTD. It is a good alternative choice of Samsung QXTC, especially when your budget is more limited. Most of specs and features of Samsung QXTC are similar to Samsung QXTD, except that it comes with less powerful neural quantum processor 4K, the older version of Tizen 2023, and less advanced Adaptive Sound Plus and Active Voice Amplifier. But basically, Samsung QXTC is still able to deliver excellent picture quality with its direct full array, local dimming, quantum dot color, quantum HDR plus, and 120Hz native refresh rate. So if your budget is more limited, then you can surely consider Samsung QXTC as the one to choose. Thanks for watching us at TV Buying Guide and have a nice day there.